Hi, my name is Nida Nazrin from S1 BCA. Today I am going to take the chapter Appointment in Samara. In this story, there were three characters: the merchant, the servant, and a woman. The woman represented here is Death. Death is the narrator of the story. Appointment in Samara is a small story. In this story, a merchant in Baghdad sent his servant to the town to buy supplies for his house. And the servant arrives in the town and he was pushed by a female figure in the middle of the crowd. When the servant turned to look at the female figure, the servant realized that the female figure who had pushed him away was Death. Death is staring him in the face, but the old servant is terrified because he realizes that Death has targeted him. He is frightened and runs to his master. What he wants is a horse that must escape from the brink of the death. That's why he ran and came closer to the merchant. So he rushes to Samara with this horse to escape from death. Samara is a city on the banks of the Tigris River. The meaning of Samara is to make everyone happy. The servant believed that death would not come in the Samara because it is such a beautiful place. He quickly rode the horse and went to Samara. At this time, the merchant went to the market and looked for the female figure mentioned earlier by the servant in the crowd. He thus came close to Death and asking to Death is, "Why did you frightening my servant?" Death responded immediately, "Actually, I was not scary." Death says, Death shocked when he see him. The merchant then inquired as the cause of Death's shock. So, Death answering that, "I meet him in the past of Baghdad, but I have an appointment with him today in Samara. I'm shocked to see the person in Samara in Baghdad. The appointment with him for the death was left to the night in Samara. Death jolts him when the man who is supposed to arrive in that Samara sees in Baghdad." So, this much is come into this story. The idea put forward through this is that we can never run away from the fate that is from death. In the story, it is said that death will conquer us at the time allotted to us by already. The story is set in a way that speaks to death with the Shepi, who is the central character in the novel, and the narrator is considered a female gender to the death in the story. The moral of the story is, in this world, there is an appointed time and place for everyone to die. Thank you.